So I had my airbag vest on. I had to go back to grab my fanny pack. Well, guess what? Had got off the bike and forgot to undo it. I deployed it.
Have you ever had a dream that you had?
What's up, guys? We are back with yet another video. You guys are joining me today to go up to these mountains, see what the Cali riding's all about. We're going pretty late in the day. We had to switch out tires with John because he had a cupped front, and there's no way we were letting him ride on that, so... You gonna hit neutral on me, baby? That's what you're doing? You f***ed on! Not today, baby! This is so dope, though. Oh my gosh, I've dreamed about this for freaking years! My goodness! this was okay! What does every state not have this? Oh my god! This is sweet! Thank you. Go ahead. I can't see anything, so we're just gonna take it a little easy. Nice. Okay, wow. Wow. Oh shoot, okay, damn, I wish I knew this. He's going great though. Knee down, baby. What? Oh my gosh, I'm so high up! That's what? Oh my gosh. I should make sure the boys are okay, but we're gonna go up there and then take a pit stop. Oh my gosh, guys! I love it so much! Oh yeah, I can lane split. Yeah, that's weird. I forgot. No way. That's the view. That's the view I'm dealt with right now. What the fudge? This is awesome. I hope you guys enjoyed that little bit. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I'm not afraid of heights, but that's down there. Did we just come up that road? That all the way down there? We just weaved our way all the way up here. That's sick. Not once in my life have I ever experienced a road like this. A road, I'm not saying a track, but like a road. There's a cop!
He turned around, he was coming for us.
Huh?
He turned around, he was definitely coming for us.
Oh yeah, I went by, I was like, oh yeah, that's actually pretty cool. That's like one of the probably first couple times that I've gotten my knee down on the R1. I did not check my air pressure, I feel so bad. Look at you with the brand new tires getting over, bro! I see you! Stop playing with me! Let me find out you Rossi, bro! I'm literally crying on the inside right now. This view is like literally to die for.
This fucking passed me going like, fuck Jesus.
Me?
Yeah.
No, I didn't.
Bro, I thought I was getting it until you passed me. I was like, fuck. I didn't remember, like,
you weren't that far behind me.
No, I wasn't that far behind you, but like still, you were getting it, bro. For someone that's never been on the road, that's really, really good. Yeah.
I mean, some of those hairpins, the ones that I couldn't see, that's the ones I was like, yep, yeah, slow down, slow down, slow down. I don't know where this is coming out.
This is like easy mode.
What is this?
Highway 18.
This is, okay, so we just did Highway 18. What's up here?
So this way's going like Lake Arrowhead, Big Bear, shit like that.
Okay. Like, dude, what the dude, you gotta think, like, there's people like in freaking India watching my videos that have never seen a view like this.
Yeah.
And, like, how far is that? Like, how far away is that? Is that hours?
That's about like 10 feet.
What? That's about 10 feet?
Yeah.
Thanks,
Looks
John.
like that is Temecula.
Temecula? All that big mountain all the way down there?
I think so. That's where like Ortega and shit.
Yeah, that's, no, but it's like ridiculous how much you can see.